Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to tell you one of the most easiest way and most skillful way of making money online with the help of just uploading your digital downloads, or you can say your digital products on a website. So I'm going to tell you about Etsy website where you can upload your digital assets, and then people will purchase those assets and then you can earn money. Okay, so first of all I will show you how you can create an account on the Etsy, and then you can create a shop, and then you will be able to sell your products, and you will also need to pay some annual subscription fee, or you can say annual fee for the shop, so that you can display your products and sell them. Okay, so first of all we will go to the Etsy website. So we will open this etsy.com. When this website will open, you will get this kind of interface. Okay, it will look something like this. Before that, let me show you what are the digital downloads on the Etsy available right now. Etsy digital downloads. So I will go in this section, digital downloads. So I can show you what people are actually selling under the heading of digital downloads on the Etsy. Okay, so people are selling something like this, sketchbooks for painting for the children. Okay, some people are selling this landscape clip art. Okay, you can see these random things. You can also create these things on the with the help of the AI. People are also selling this wedding planner. People are also selling their PDF books, or you can say digital books, on this digital download section of the Etsy. Okay, you can see this. People are also selling their paintings and much more. Okay, so first of all you need to create an account. For creating an account, you just need to click on the sign in button, and here you can sign up with your Google account. Okay, so I'll select my Google account like this. Then I will click on continue button. So that's all. So that's how our account will be created on this website, and account will be open up. So you need to open a shop on the Etsy, so that you can sell your digital downloads. You will click on this option, and you will click on this sell on Etsy button. Here you will need to just enter your some basic information about your business, and then you can create your store by just giving a few fee. Okay, and that fee is $19. That's a one time fee that you have to pay for opening a shop on the Etsy. After that, you will just click on this let's do it this button, and you can select the reason or what brings you to Etsy. Okay, so I'll just select this one, and I will click on this continue button, and I will go for the digital, and then next button. Now you can open your or start your shop. You just need to enter the name of your shop, and then you have to pay pay the fee. Okay, and then you are good to go. Then you can easily upload your products, and if a person buys your product, then amount will be generated into your account, and that amount will be shown in your dashboard as well, where you can then withdraw your money into your bank account. So that's all about Etsy, how you can create an account on Etsy, and how you can open your shop on Etsy in only $90. That's a one-time fee. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.